Chorus classes. Yesterday we watched some videos of Pete Seeger and Mahalia Jackson performing Down by the Riverside, and so we're going to learn the song this week to close out the year. This is another kind of call and response African American spiritual, and it introduces a thing called blue notes. And so blue notes are common in African American music. Which leads to all the pop music you've ever heard. And what they are is that the third note of the scale, so when we're doing our numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the third note can move back and forth and kind of be sometimes out of tune, sometimes in tune, in a way that has become very standard. So we're going to sing numbers to start this off, then we're going to learn the song, which you should be able to see up on the screen there. So here we go. We're going to start on numbers. 1 is right there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do that one more time because that's our key. 2, 3, breath. Great. Okay, so lyrics are up here. It starts off, gonna lay down my burden, and then Down by the Riverside happens 3 times. It starts on this note here, and so I'm going to do it once, and then you're going to do it once. And it starts with this blue note. So it goes, gonna lay down my burden. Now you, 2, a 1, 2, breath. Then next line is me, then you. Down by the riverside, a 1, 2, 3, you, breath. Then the next time it goes down, it changes chords. Down by the riverside. Now you, 2, 3, 4, go. Then it goes back up to the first one. Down by the riverside. So I'm going to do all 3 times. It's first on the first level, then it drops down 1 note, then it comes back up. So, from the beginning, me, then you. Gonna lay down my burden. Down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. Now you, and a 2, and a 1, 2, breath. And breath. And breath. And breath. Great. Then it does it again. Gonna lay down my burden, down by the riverside. But on the very last one, it's 2 times this time. It goes, down by the riverside. You do it 1, 2, 3, breath. Down by the riverside. So now I'm going to do this whole section, and then you're going to do it. Down by the riverside happens 3 times the first time, and 2 times that time. Me, then you. A 1, 2, 3. Gonna lay down my burden. Down by the riverside. Down by the riverside. Down by the riverside. Gonna lay down my burden. Down by the riverside. Down by the riverside. Now you, 1, a 2, a 1, 2, breath. And breath. And breath. And breath. And breath. Here it is. Great. Now it goes into this second section. Chord changes, lands here, and goes, I ain't gonna, and gonna is kind of contracted into 1 note, so it's I ain't gonna, you kind of mumble the G and it's 1 sound. I ain't gonna study, and study I capitalize because it's on the beat, so it goes, me, then you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I ain't gonna study, right? So 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, breath. So, the whole line. I'll sing it, then you sing it. It's the same thing twice, and then the third one is different. I ain't gonna study war no more. Ain't gonna study war no more. Ain't gonna study war no more, no more. Now that whole thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, breath. 2, 3, breath. Cut. Then it does it again, and it's different the second time. So, I ain't gonna study more, no more. Ain't gonna study more, no more. Study no more, no more. So let's do this whole B section. Actually, let's do the second half that I just did. So the ending is study no more, no more. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so let's try this whole B section. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, breath. I ain't gonna study more, no more. Ain't gonna study more, no more. Ain't gonna study more, no more, no more. I ain't gonna study more, no more. Ain't gonna study more, no more. Study no more, no more. And so now to end this video, we're going to do the whole thing all the way through. I'll sing along. Then tomorrow and the next day, we'll break it up and we'll add the other verses. So, from the top. Gonna lay down my burden. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, go. Gonna lay down my burden down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. Gonna lay down my burden down by the riverside, down by the riverside. I ain't gonna study more, no more. Ain't gonna study more, no more. Ain't gonna study more, no more, no more. I ain't gonna study more, no more. Ain't gonna study more, no more. Study no more, no more. Great. More on this tomorrow. Stay safe. See you later.